routine. First of all, I wear my uniform, and then I brush my hair and tie it in a pony. Then I pack my bag, my library book, and my bag. I eat my breakfast. So let's eat breakfast. Yummy. I don't usually have breakfast, but sometimes I have milk, but sometimes when I'm super early and I'm awake. But sometimes when I'm early, I eat cereal. Put my lunch in my dishes. I wear my shoes. These are hard to wear with just one hand. So I wore my shoes. Since today my mom's not here, I'm packing only 2 things. So bad. So yeah, that's my lunch. Now the view. Wish me good luck. Ready to go.